Oh man, let's see if they sent me the right length. Last time I ordered one of these, they sent me one that was way too short. Hopefully this is long enough. All right, let's do this real quick. Oh, we got a quick, this is an HP 15 DY2062NR. We are replacing the DC jack. Customer was walking around with it. Seems to be a common thing for my customers. They're walking around with it, walked into a wall. Now they're in a situation where I'm replacing it. It's constant reminder, don't do that. And DC jack goes up here in this corner. Take out 3 screws for the hinge, and we are going right here. In theory, this should only go in here one way, right?
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
There's only one way this thing can go in here. That is that way. It's keyed. The one that I was shipped, so see, if I could try and turn it around and put it in, it physically won't go in. The one that I got shipped isn't keyed, but I mean it is. It just has a key on both sides. And out of an abundance of caution, not going through that again today. All right. This guy comes up, goes around, like a bunch of extra, like, length. It can't be extra length. The original one had it. So how is this routed? It's literally just chilling. So that goes in there. That goes around, down, and then just there, because that's the same path that this one was taking. Cool. The wires are definitely thinner than the original, that's for sure. You know where they're cutting their corners, huh? We have a charge light. Perfect. Then snap everything back together. 2 silver screws on the side. Pin screw. Yeah, they all stretch like crazy like this when you get to this age. Ask me how I know. But it's strange. If you stick it back down, it just works then. All right.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.